Hello YouTube, this is our 7th video. This video will describe 3 important arithmetic axioms: commutative, associative, and distributive. Axioms are statements, expressions, or equations used in a branch of mathematics that are considered to be self-evidently true. They can be considered the logical basis or foundation for that branch of mathematics. For our needs, the commutative, associative, and distributive axioms allow the problem solver to restate arithmetic expressions, statements, and equations. Restatement is important to us because it allows us to write more complicated mathematics into forms that usually are easier to understand and to solve. The commutative and associative axioms are applicable or usable for the arithmetic operations of addition and multiplication. The distributive axiom primarily applies to multiplication. The commutative axiom states that the order or display of numbers to be either all added or all multiplied is irrelevant. The answer is unaffected by the ordinality. On our whiteboard, we have sample applications of the commutative axiom separately for both addition and multiplication. This axiom only applies to an entire set of numbers when all the numbers are either all added or all multiplied. For a set of numbers with different arithmetic operations, the axiom is applied only to the numbers either all added together or all multiplied together. The associative axiom states that how numbers are grouped together to be either all added or all multiplied is irrelevant. This axiom is similar to the commutative axiom in that the ordering is not relevant, but for the associative axiom, the order refers to which numbers either all added or all multiplied together, not by the numbers' positions in the mathematical statement. On our whiteboard, we have sample applications of the associative axiom separately for both addition and multiplication. Again, like the commutative axiom, this axiom only applies to an entire set of numbers when all the numbers are either all added or all multiplied. For a set of numbers with different arithmetic operations, the axiom is applied only to the numbers either all added together or all multiplied together. The third axiom, the distributive axiom, typically applies to the arithmetic operation of multiplication. This axiom can be interpreted in various manners. However, for our needs, we will interpret the axiom as a method to restate the multiplication of two numbers. Our interpretation states that the product of two single numbers is the same or equivalent to the multiplication of a single number with a combination of sums and differences. This multiplication of a combination of sums and differences or constituent parts equals a multiplication of two single numbers because the combinations of sums and differences must be equal to an equivalent single number. On our whiteboard, we have a sample application of the distributive axiom. Problem solvers will have opportunities to use all 3 axioms when solving problems, but in our estimation, the distributive axiom is the most important and most frequently used of the 3 axioms. Any arithmetic problem in the type of arithmetic we will encounter can be written as one or more applications of the distributive axiom. If you go to the website at the top of our whiteboard, arithmetichelp.com, we offer an ebook. Additionally, we also offer a 3 sample download of our ebook. This 3 sample download contains approximately 75 pages and 60 pages of instruction. Thank you for your time. Have a great day, YouTube.